Zvava kunakidza mhuri yeZimbabwe. Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. My name is Ronald Kwekwa. We are taking a look on what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without favor, or any bias. Chachaya KuZANU PF aiwa zvatosorana zviri kusimudzana makuseni tirisati ratombodoka. VaMnangagwa vasati vatombotanga kutonga kwetemu yavo yechipiri kana kuti kotoro yavo yechipiri, aiwa zvaakunetsana, zvaakuchirwisana pachena. So the issue right here is that there is this guy anonzi Hulu, amen, anozviti pachiso life whatsoever. I believe that he is related to a certain MP or Wekuchiredzi, and he says ever since Mutisi was paid 100,000 by Sewick now, we have not known peace. They are committing to be the next in line to be paid. That is why you see all these hungry comrades targeting me. If I get paid, I will donate all the money to my ex-followers. Should the comrades be paid? Really? This is a question. But I'm going to unpack this. What happened is that Sewick Nochivayo went on to buy a luxurious vehicle for the DJ. Secondly, he bought another luxurious vehicle for Chief Wenje. So these are the two people who were chosen by Sewick Nel, and they had their cars. Then he went on to give KuZANU PF 100,000 rands, and that did not go well with some comrades who also want their fair share, because they say pataira kasha tese ama benefits maakumawana mega. So ndo pakatangira hondo. The likes of Vana Hulu, they are against such things because ivo zvavo zviri kunaka. So they want everyone else kuti ange achitambudzika, so that ivo vanoramba vari relevant, because they have been connected through their own fathers or their relative nacho. Vana kana magumbeza, vana kana dzimba, vana kana mota, vana kana pekidi vari kutoroja. So it's not like they love ZANU PF, but they want the benefit. So that's the reason why vakaenda kunorakasha. So they believe that rewards, and those rewards accusing which is evidence Shona plotting to eliminate me from Twitter so that he can get paid, just like what happened to KuZANU PF. I have the evidence. Is it true that Shona badaro? It's most likely true, because avana chavanacho chinovapa uraramo kana chinovapa upenyu. Just like vanhu vakaita sana KuZANU PF, they were sacked from the works they were doing, and it was reported all over social media that they were sacked, and he never refuted that. And it seems as if he was happy because of those things which were raised against him. But right now, he has been paid, he has been given something by Sewick now, and Ian Mnangagwa said that they are so happy. So rimwe timu rese manje rakuchiataka Hulu, because Hulu ari kuvharidzira vamwe kuti vange vachidya. Hulu agara achidya. So ari kunzi ari kuda kuramba achingodya ega. Rimwe timu riri pai riri munhamo. Backgrounds differ. That is the reason why you see those who have been benefiting, they don't care about anybody else benefiting, because they want to remain relevant financially. So it's interesting time, interesting moments for those who are in ZANU PF and for those who are actually fighting for post and position. Pataivaudza paipai kuti let us have change, vairamba. But ike zvino izvi chinhu chagwinwa, chinhu chachavo, chachemusha. They are now crying foul, and they are now pointing fingers at each other, because they've never worked anyway. They cannot work anyway. They will never work anyway. They benefit from propaganda, rakashari, stealing, and so forth. You can see Akadas supposed to be paid for towing the revolutionary line. What happens to the thousands who sacrificed lives for our independence? Some haven't received decent burials up to date. When we reflect on the ultimate sacrifices made, we should unite and fight the common enemy. The common enemy, Mr. Comrade Shangri, is poverty. Poverty is the common enemy which must be fought. That is the reason why some of us said ZANU PF must go, so that we have an inclusive government which is going to make everybody benefit, which is going to make our lives better for the good. But you comrades decided kuti kurakasha is the best, yet you know very well that you need money, you need to pay rentals, you have parents who need to be taken care of, you have medical bills to settle, you have school fees to pay, and you are getting old at the same time, and you have nothing. Takangofanana. I have seen these comrades vachiseka wana Cooksman, but I believe that Cooksman is way much better than some of these comrades. So they are making a mistake by making this ZANU PF thing. Apana ZANU PF spa. If you wake up in your house and ask for sex, ZANU PF inokwana papi papo. So zviri kubvondurana team Zimbabwe kusvika pakuti vakutotyisidzirana kuti aiwaka takuburitsa evidence yekuti iwo wakandikumbira kuti iwo ndikurove chinhu, umwe achiti iwo handambokukumbira kuti undirove chinhu. So nyaya dzacho dziri kudakidza. Zvikanzi learn from Rex. There is no coming back from this. We know you were sidelined for the US trip. That's why you are bitter with likes of Snowball. So kune chikwata kachana Snowball chakaenda kuUSA, and unoziva ndozvinhu zvacho zviri kurwadza varakashi vakawanda kuti vakaenda kuUSA vari kunzi vakazoenda sei vana Snowball, vakazoenda sei kuUSA isusu vamwe tichisara, because takaona vana Snowball, takaona vana Jones vachienda. Remember vana Jones vakapiwa motikari dzevarakashi for chakadaro, and they are driving nice cars and they are benefiting, they are having salaries. Vamwe havana chavari kuita, zvikanzi I can pay you for you and your whole village. Have you ever seen me touching even a cent from ZANU PF? Unorwara. Okay, so team Zimbabwe ndozviri kuitika, vakuchimenyana, vakuchitetenyana. Isisu chedu kutarisa takamira zvedu pachuru tichiti aiwaka bayana pondanai, rovanai. Asi zvese izvozvo zvomapedza, remember, we have a Zimbabwe to build under the leadership of inclusive is going to make sure that everybody is treated with dignity, is equally treated, not according to affiliation. Have it in the nation, he does have the capable hands with him, and the ideas are there. So it is what it is. We continue to give you what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear.